Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get a custom domain on Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, go to the settings embed at bottom left corner and your account settings will be displayed. Now, go to the domain tab and your current domain will appear in front of you. Here, if you want to add a domain that you own right now, then click on the Connect Existing Domain button and follow the on-screen instructions. But if you don't own a domain, then click on this button and then type on your company or shop name. You can see that the company name domain is available in .com and it is priced at $15 a year. So select it and then you will be asked to enter the required information along with your payment details. Once you are done with it, click on this Buy Domain button to complete the order. So that's basically how you can get a custom domain on Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.